In this video, you'll learn exactly how to share prompt notes on Instagram in under a minute, perfect for beginners. Step 1. Open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into the correct account you want to post from. From the home screen, tap your profile icon in the bottom right to go to your profile page. On your profile, tap the plus button at the top to start creating a new post or story where you'll share your prompt notes. Choose what type of content you want to use, a feed post, a story, or a reel. For simple prompt notes, a story or reel works great. Once you've picked your format, you're ready to add your prompt notes and make them easy to read. Next, add a plain background or a simple photo so your prompt text is easy to see and read. Tap the text tool, then type your prompt notes clearly. Break long prompts into short, readable lines. Use a high contrast color for your text and a clean, easy-to-read font so beginners can follow along without straining. If you're sharing multiple prompts, add each one as a separate story page or reel scene to keep things organized. When you're happy with how everything looks, tap Share to publish your prompt notes to your followers. That's it. You've just shared clear, easy-to-use prompt notes on Instagram. Replay this guide anytime you need a quick refresher.